Hello, friends. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, whether ITC is available on exempted goods. Basically, friends, we have received number of queries related to this point, whether ITC is available on exempted goods or not, because they are saying that we have purchased the items and we are selling the finished goods, and sometimes some items are taxable and some are not taxable. So whether we can take the ITC of all the inputs or not. So let's start to discuss this question. Before that, I may request you to please subscribe my channel and go to our website indiantaxupdate.com. Here you can get the answers of your number of questions. And also, if you are tax professionals and want to increase your practice growth in your clients, then you can take our services of professional branding. For more details, you can comment us or visit to our website indiantaxupdate.com. Okay, let's start. If a person is engaged in supply of taxable as well as exempted goods, whether he would be entitled to claim entire ITC of the tax paid on goods or services. So let's discuss this question, and let's see what is the right answer of this one. No. The thing is that no, a person who is engaged in supply of taxable as well as exempted goods would not be entitled to claim the entire ITC. You have to emphasis on this word entire. It does not saying that you are not eligible to take the ITC, but the thing is that you are not entitled to claim the entire ITC of the tax paid on goods. Section 17(1) of the CGST Act provides that the registered person shall be entitled to take the ITC paid on input or input service used for the purpose of making taxable supplies. If you are making the taxable supplies, then you can take the ITC under Section 17(1) of the CGST Act. However, Section 17(2), the another section of CGST Act 17(2) provides that the where a registered person is also making supplies which are exempt from tax under the Act, he shall be entitled to take credit. He shall be entitled to take credit. But don't be confused over here. He shall be entitled to take credit of input tax only to the extent that such credit is attributable to taxable supplies. What does this mean? It means that you can take the credit only of that part which is related to the taxable supplies. So if you have purchased some items and partly of that items are used for the taxable supplies and partly for the exempted supplies, so you can take the credit only for that item, those items which has been used for the taxable supplies. In other words, who is engaged in supply of both taxable and exempted would need to apportion the ITC on the basis of value of taxable supplies and value of exempted supply. Right? The ITC attributable to the taxable supplies can be claimed as credit against the output tax liability on taxable supply. However, ITC attributable to exempted supply cannot be claimed as credit. Let's discuss an example. Let's understand. Suppose a person is registered under GST and he supply goods worth ₹1 lakh, of which 50,000 is taxable and 50,000 is exempt. Let's say he is doing the taxable as well as the exempted supply. The person has paid ₹10,000 of GST as a ITC on the input using for making of these supplies. So for making of these supplies means making of the total ₹1 lakh supply, he has the GST of 10,000 rupees ITC. The person would be entitled to claim ₹5,000 as ITC, which is amount to GST paid on the input used for the making of taxable supply, and remaining 5,000 of GST cannot be claimed. Yani ki he can be claimed only on the 50% because he is transferring only the 50% taxable and 50% is exempted. So he can claim only the 50% of the total ITC. So this is the example that total taxable supply is 50,000, exempted supply is 50,000, and total ITC is total value of supply is how much? 10,000. GST, how much he is paid on input? 10,000. So he is eligible for ITC of rupees 5,000 only for the 50%. So friends, it makes clear that in case of exempted supply, you cannot take the ITC on inputs, right? If you have any further clarification, if you required, you can contact us. And again, I am requesting you to please subscribe our channel, click on notification bell so that you may get the latest informations, latest video on your mobiles and on a mobile. And keep watching our channel. Thank you.